in Frankfort, Kentucky. We got a call yesterday for a rescue hive. You can see it here behind me. It's in a cedar tree. So we're trying to get set up right now. Get my headband on here so the sweat don't get all down in my eyes and stuff. Get suited up. It's a pretty decent hive. But the plan is to cut the hive out, put it in the empty frames, rubber band them in the empty frames, and find the queen, rescue the colony, and take it back to Honey Ridge Homestead. Stay tuned. Okay. All right, so we're going to go over a few things real quick. Some of the equipment that we brought out here today. We've got 2 deep hive bodies with solid top and bottom boards. We got it ratchet strapped down, so when we get the bees and stuff in there, they're not going to get out, of course. We've got vent holes in the top and the bottom of both boards, so when we're transporting them, they'll be able to have some ventilation. Okay. This particular box here is all empty frames, because the idea is we're going to take the comb out of the hive there and rubber band them into the frame, so they'll have an instant home once we get them relocated back to the ridge. The other box here's got foundation in it, and it's got drawn comb foundation from older hives. So this colony looks big enough that we're probably going to end up double stacking them. Okay, and again, you're going to have your basic tools out here. You're going to have your smoker. You're going to have your kit out here. Your smoke, and there's a tick. Watch for ticks. Anyways, you got all your tools out here. Things to cut the hive out with. Make sure you got your suit on, because I'm sure we're gonna upset the bees a little bit. Okay, so we're going to get some things started up here, and we'll continue to take this hive out a little bit at a time, and we'll try to video as much as we can of it. So today we came out to Frankfort, Kentucky, to a farm. We got a call. The cedar trees down, and you guys seen earlier how big the hive was. So we extracted, I'd say 97% of the comb out of it. We were able to scoop a couple good handfuls of bees out of it, shake a bunch of bees out of it. We didn't find the queen, but in this bottom box here, I've got a couple of those honeycombs on empty frames with rubber bands around them. That's got about 3 or 4 queen cells on them, and they're nice good capped queen cells. So a few days we'll have a queen hatch out of here and we should be okay. So other than that, like I said, we end up basically with 2 deeps, and like I said earlier, I had 10 empty frames with no foundation, and then I had 10 foundation frames, and basically there's 5 and 5 now. I was able to split them up, checkerboard them when we set them in, and like I said, pretty good turnout on that. We also ended up getting about a 5-gallon bucket of comb that we couldn't get in the frames because it was too small or whatever. So you know, we'll take it, we'll render it down, we'll render down the wax, and there is some honey in there. So we'll have a future video on that. Okay. So again, we hope you guys enjoyed the videos. We are Honey Ridge Homestead out of Winchester, Kentucky. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Give us a thumbs up, a like, and a share. And again, we hope you guys enjoy these videos and things like that. So We hope you enjoy your time out there in the bee yard. And so take care until next time.
Be safe. Action.
All right. Had another successful extraction down there in some tree. And, oh, I had a good one too, see? Yeah, pulled my own teeth, saved me $700. What do you think, bro?
You know this is going worldwide.
I don't care if it goes to the capital. Yeah. When you save money, save money. Damn economy like it is right now, you got to do the best you can.
Yeah, that's true.
All right.
So we'll put this in the outtakes.
Yeah.
But anyway, again, we're at Honey Ridge Homestead, and he is
Our bees.
We're in Winchester, Kentucky.
And we're in Stamperstown, Kentucky.
All right. So until we see you again.
Be safe.
And we're, I was going to say we're in Orangeburg right now.
Oh.